Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do remove first from a linked list. Okay, so we have the question on the left. So let's quickly read that and start writing the code. So we have to implement a method called remove first that removes first node from the linked list and returns it. Okay, so basically we have a return type there, and return type would be node, right? So let's remove the comment there and let's start writing. So public node remove first. Okay, and so remove first means we are just removing it from the very beginning of the linked list, right? So in that case we don't have to pass any parameter because we are removing it. So imagine at the very beginning we have to consider if the length itself is equal to 0. That means if there are no elements in the linked list, what should we do in that case? Okay, if there are no elements, that means we can just say return null, right? Okay, that's what we are going to do, and that's the very first step. Now next, later, if it is not 0, then what do? We create a temporary node, okay, called temp, okay, node temp, and we'll set that to head at the very beginning. Okay, let's directly initialize that here. Then what we have to do, as we have to remove the first element, we have just first taken it into a temp variable. Now temp and head both are pointing to head now. Okay, that is the first element of the linked list. Now what we have to do, basically we have to get rid of the first element, right? So what we'll do, update the head pointer. So we'll write head equals head dot next. Okay, that means now head is pointing to the next element from the beginning. Then what do? Temp dot next is equal to null. That means what, we are detaching this particular the first element to null. Okay, we are detaching it by passing next equals null. Okay, and then what do? We decrement the pointer. So length minus. Okay, we decrement the length, and imagine after doing this, if the length became equal to 0 again, let's say, okay, length is equal to 0 after removing that. Okay, then what do we say? That means it was the first only one element present in the linked list. Okay, then what we can do, we'll return the we'll set the tail equals null. Okay, because see, if there is just one left, right? So there was just one element there before and that also got removed. Then what do? We just set the tail pointer to null, and then we just return temp. That's it. Okay, let's see what happens in this case. Great, lovely. All the test cases have passed. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, do drop a comment in the comment box, and I'll see you in the next video.